Dreaming of creating websites that inspire and engage? At AOLCC Scarborough, we'll give you the skills to turn your creativity into a career in web design. Welcome to AOLCC Scarborough, part of Canada's largest career college network. For more than 30 years, we've believed in honest, creative, and flexible education, because learning should adapt to you. With over 30 diploma and certificate programs in fields like business, IT, healthcare, and design, we make education accessible and practical. Choose your path with online, hybrid, or in-person learning modes, flexibility that fits your lifestyle. Our Web Designer Diploma is more than just training, it's your launchpad into the digital design industry. You'll learn how to plan, design, and publish interactive websites using industry-standard tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Dreamweaver, and Animate. You'll also explore HTML, CSS, PHP, and WordPress, along with key design principles like color, typography, composition. By graduation, you'll have the skills, confidence, and a professional portfolio that showcases your ability to take a website from concept to launch. And with our integrated learning system, you'll learn at your pace, review as often as you need, and get one-on-one support along the way. At AOLCC Scarborough, you're not just learning, you're designing your future. Visit aolccscarborough.ca today and take the first step. AOLCC Scarborough, honest, creative, and flexible education that empowers you to learn, grow, and succeed.